What's the meaning of boxy? Boxy. Boxy.
Boxy. Boxy. Boxy refers to something having a square or rectangular shape, often with sharp corners and edges, resembling a box. In design and architecture, the term is used to describe objects or structures that have a rigid, angular appearance. This style can be seen in many products, such as computers, cars, and furniture. The advantage of a boxy design is that it maximizes usable space and provides a clean, modern look. However, some may find it too simplistic or lacking in personality. Ultimately, the use of a boxy design depends on the intended purpose and aesthetic preferences of the designer or user.